Don't you follow me. Get you. All right, boys. There's food. I know it, but I'm not giving it. Listen. Don't you snort at me, Snorty Jackson. Get you. Get him and kill. Get over here. Don't you put your tooth up at me. Now, I've had it with you. A couple of lovers. Big baby boys. Get him and kill. Oh. Get over here. What's that? Well, that's a leaf. I thought you took another dump on the patio. Peanut! Like I just choked on a horse. I've been sick. That's why there hasn't been any videos. But I'm going to be all right. Get over here, Nut. Come on, Peanut. Look at him. Here he comes. Here he comes. Peanut! Master of his domain. Mate Boo. Come on, Meatball. Get over here, boy. Oh, it's windy, too. Good Lord, it's windy. It ain't gonna blow you over, though, is it? Beast. Behemoth. Don't you even think about it. It's another leaf. Looks like you poo-pooed, but it's a leaf. I am gonna get you. You don't like that medicine in your eyeballs. Oh, get him and kill. Exactly. Tell him. I just put medicine in his eyeballs. He hates it. Where's Peanut? Where's Peanut? Peanut! Peanut! Where's he at? Peanut! 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 Where's he at? Get him and kill. Come here, fat man. Get over here. Actually, you've lost some weight. I've had him on a diet. And he hates it. He hates, yes. Get in your bed. Go to bed. I'm just kidding. You do whatever. Get you. You're not getting any more pickles. Now get in the bed. Who do you think you're barking at? You want me to kiss you in the mouth? You want me to kiss you straight in the face? Come here, boy. Meat mood. I'm going to kiss you. Put your tooth away. Put your tooth away. You'll get a kiss. Come on. Get in the bed. Okay? Get in your bed, hon. Come on. King size. Come on. Get in your bed. You're not getting any... No. I'm thawing out a turkey in that refrigerator. It's hilarious. It's a 24-pound turkey I'm thawing out in that refrigerator, and he knows about it. And our patio is disgusting. All right, lay down, honey. You're going to wake the neighbors up. It's 9 o'clock. Peanut, get over here. Nut. Peanut. Come on, Nut. Peanut. All right, that's enough. Stop it. Stop it. You're not getting any turkey. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. Giddy up.